Hello, you're watching It's Tomorrow News. I am R. Sriram. Typhoon Co-May hits Shanghai. Over 2.8 lakh evacuated as storm lashes with rain and high winds. China is bracing for a double blow from nature as Typhoon Co-May made a landfall in the financial hub of Shanghai on Wednesday evening, while tsunami alerts spread across the Pacific following a massive earthquake off Russia's Kamchatka Peninsula. Nearly 283,000 people have been evacuated from at-risk areas in and around Shanghai as Typhoon Co-May, known locally as Zhu, brings heavy rains and strong winds. Authorities sounded alerts, cancelled hundreds of flights and advised residents to remain indoors as the tropical storm swept through the region, according to the news agency Reuters. The storm initially made a landfall in Zhoushan, a port city in Zhejiang province, with sustained winds reaching up to 83 km per hour near its center. Meteorologists warned that Co-May could make a second landfall closer to Shanghai later in the day. The typhoon has already caused major disruptions. Ferry services have been suspended, speed limits on highways reduced, and nearly 30% of all flights in and out of Pudong and Hongqiao airports have been cancelled, according to the airport operator. Authorities have issued a Level 1 emergency response, the highest alert for flood and typhoon control. Construction projects have been halted across the city and thousands of residents in high-risk zones have been relocated. Yangshan Port, the highest container port in the world, suspended operations on Tuesday. In nearby Zhoushan, major oil hubs have activated emergency protocols urging workers to follow safety measures. The typhoon's arrival comes just as the region reels from an 8.8 magnitude earthquake off Russia's eastern coast, one of the strongest ever recorded in the area. In Russia, the town of Severokurilsk saw flooding and around 2,000 residents were evacuated. Some injuries were reported, though none were serious. Videos on social media showed buildings partly submerged by seawater. The Kamchatka region has declared a state of emergency and aftershocks as strong as magnitude of 7.5 are still expected. In Japan, nearly 2 million people were advised to evacuate coastal areas. That's all for now. For more weather news updates, stay tuned with us on It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates. Thank you.